First of all, we can use the rectangle in here. We can make the size of the rectangle is around 2.6 meter, around 2.6 meter and 7 meter approximately. So we can push it up a little bit, around 300 millimeter. It's just for sample for the tiny house. Then we can make the line, click from the corner and follow this three side of this perimeter. Then we can offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Okay, then now we can close for every single both of this line in here. Then we can erase unnecessary line over there, and we can click this plane and select push pull. We can push it up around 2.6 meter. Okay, around 2.6 meter, and then we can triple click and also make group. So this is for the bathroom. So we can make the separation in here. We can click this line and select move, type control. Then we can move it around 1.7 meter approximately. Okay, then we can make the wall in here. This is of the bathroom wall. We can type 2.1 meter, enter, and triple click, and also make group. But we have to make it higher than before, because this is for the loft bed area. Okay, and we can scale this one, and we can push it up a little bit and make group. Okay, so then we can make the door of the this tiny house. We can make the opening first, but we can make the rectangle and push it to the front. Okay, make group. So this is about the little window. We can make the door signage in here, and we can make some step in here. We can make stair step in here. Then we can divide into several step in here, like this. For example, we can just start from here. Okay, now we can push it to the front around 300 millimeter, make group. Okay, then we can select a move, type control. We can make a component first, create, and then we can select a move, type control, place to this position. Then we can type X9. Okay, so this is the loft bed area. This is the easel area. So we can make the basic shape of the kitchen, or multifunction table in here, just like this. Maybe we can make it some part. Okay, so we can move, and then we can type 3/n, enter. We can move duplicate. Okay, now we can make a little cabinet in here. Okay, then we can make group. So we can push it to the front, make group. Okay, now we can move it to the bottom. So we can place it to position. Okay, now we can make the wood materials in here for the floor, for the flooring. Okay, we can make the wood flooring in here, and we can make the flat roof in here. Okay, so this is about just for the example, and maybe we can make the another openings. We can make the another openings in here, and maybe we can make the another openings again. Okay, just like this, and this is the large window. Okay, now we can screenshot. We can screenshot this one with the screenshot tool. Okay, then we can copy it. Then we can place this one and just setting to the Nano Banana, and we can type the prompt make a realistic photograph of tiny house interior with a stair cabinet, mini pantry, and some openings, some window openings. Then this tiny house has a loft bed. Okay, we can try with the first prompt. Maybe we can add more effect, some like the room has well lit. Okay, then we can just wait. It takes time because we request for the realistic photograph of tiny house interior. Is not just a rendering, but we request about the realistic rendering. we request about the realistic one. Okay, so this is the result. Anyway, this is the result of tiny house. This is it just a simple color in here. It just has a simple color, but we need some style or with some decoration maybe, and glass railings maybe. Okay, so we can try it. We can copy it again. Okay, and then just place it in here again. Then we can copy this prompt again and place in here, and maybe we can add more. The room has several wall decor. Maybe we can request about the light wood ceilings, and then glass railing on loft bed, railing on stair, and maybe we can add some built-in cabinets and wardrobe. Okay, maybe we can add we can try it again to wait about the realistic one. So this prompting result is maybe we can has inspiration from this. Okay, approximately just like this, and it has several cabinets and some windows, and then it has a lumber ceiling and bathroom door in here and several cabinets. Okay, so you can explore more about it. Then thanks for watching and just wait for my next tutorial anyway. Thank you.